The Galaxy Z Fold 6, while slimmer and lighter than before, still needs robust protection. Despite improved durability, it's not immune to accidents. With its hefty price tag, a quality case is essential to preserve your investment. When choosing a case for the Z Fold 6, prioritize protection against wear and tear. But don't stop there. Look for cases that offer style and extra features like kickstands or S-Pen slots, enhancing both form and function. From sleek designs that maintain the phone's slim profile to rugged options for maximum protection, there's something for everyone. Some cases focus on grip to prevent drops, while others offer additional functionality. Whether you prioritize minimalism, durability, or added features, our selection aims to help you find the perfect balance of protection and usability for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 8. Torras Magnetic Shockproof. The Torras Magnetic Shockproof case for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a versatile option that combines style and functionality. Its standout features include MagSafe accessory compatibility and a built-in S-Pen slot, making it ideal for power users. The slim design doesn't add unnecessary bulk, while the military-grade drop rating provides peace of mind. The case's thermoplastic polyurethane construction offers a good balance of flexibility and durability. However, the lack of color options beyond black may disappoint those seeking variety. At $79.99, it's on the pricier side, but the premium features justify the cost for many users. Overall, this case is an excellent choice for those who want comprehensive protection and convenient features without compromising on style or usability. Number 7. Thinborne Super Thin. The Thinborne Super Thin case is a minimalist dream for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Crafted from 600D aramid fiber, this ultra-slim case measures just 0.04 inches thick and weighs a mere 0.8 ounces. It's perfect for users who want to maintain the phone's sleek profile while adding a layer of protection. The case is MagSafe compatible, enhancing its functionality. However, its thin design may not offer robust protection against severe drops. The black color option is stylish but limited for those wanting variety. While the price point is high, the premium materials and barely there design justify the cost for those prioritizing aesthetics and minimal bulk. Number 6. Spigen Armor Pro P. The Spigen Armor Pro P case for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a feature-packed option for those seeking robust protection and functionality. Its polycarbonate and thermoplastic polyurethane construction offers military-grade drop protection, ensuring your expensive foldable stays safe. The reinforced fold-out kickstand is a standout feature, allowing for comfortable hands-free viewing. The built-in S-Pen slot is a thoughtful addition for stylus users. Available in black and slate, the color options are limited but classic. At 1.7 ounces, it adds some weight but remains manageable. The $79.99 price tag is justified by its durability and features. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 S-Pen Case. Samsung's official S-Pen case for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 offers a sleek solution for stylus enthusiasts. Available in gray, navy, and pink, it provides more color options than many competitors. The case's low-profile design maintains the phone's slim form factor while adding a convenient S-Pen slot. The thermoplastic polyurethane material offers basic protection against everyday wear and tear. However, it may not provide extensive drop protection compared to more rugged options. The case's perfect fit, being a Samsung product, ensures all features and functions remain easily accessible. While the $79.99 price point is premium, the seamless integration with the device may justify the cost for many users. This case is ideal for those who frequently use the S-Pen and prefer an official accessory that doesn't compromise on style. Number 4. Caseology Parallax. The Caseology Parallax offers affordable protection for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 without skimping on quality. Priced at $26.99, it's an excellent budget-friendly option. The case features a textured grip that enhances hold and reduces the chance of accidental drops. Available in black and blue, it provides some choice while maintaining a professional look. The polycarbonate and thermoplastic polyurethane construction strikes a balance between protection and weight at 1.8 ounces. The upgraded hinge cover adds an extra layer of security to the phone's most vulnerable area. While the design is basic compared to more premium options, it doesn't look cheap. The included adhesive strips ensure a secure fit. For users who want reliable protection without breaking the bank, the Caseology Parallax is a solid choice that doesn't compromise on essential features. Number 3. Poetic Spartan. The Poetic Spartan case for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is built for those who need serious protection. With 6-foot drop protection, it's one of the most rugged options available. The case combines synthetic rubber and polycarbonate to create a fortress around your device. At 2.9 ounces, it's notably heavier than slimmer cases, but the trade-off is exceptional durability. The built-in screen protector for the cover screen is a valuable addition, preserving touch sensitivity while guarding against scratches. The inclusion of both a kickstand and S-Pen storage makes it highly functional for power users. Available only in gunmetal, style options are limited. Priced at $49.95, it offers good value for its protective capabilities. While it may be too bulky for some, the Poetic Spartan is perfect for users who subject their phones to harsh conditions or simply want maximum protection. Number 2. SUPCASE for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 case with S-Pen holder. The SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a comprehensive protection solution. This case offers 360 degrees full body protection, including a front screen frame with a built-in 9H tempered glass screen protector. The sturdy back shell features military-grade drop protection, guarding against everyday hazards. A standout feature is the full-body hinge protection, addressing a common concern with foldable phones. The built-in S-Pen holder in the hinge cover is cleverly designed for convenience. A hidden kickstand adds functionality for hands-free viewing. While the case supports wireless charging, its bulky nature may not appeal to minimalists. Available only in black, it lacks color variety. Despite its rugged build, the case maintains touch sensitivity. For users prioritizing maximum protection and functionality over sleekness, the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro is an excellent, feature-rich option. Number 1. Spigen Ultra Hybrid Pro. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid Pro case for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is an excellent choice for those who want to show off their device while keeping it protected. Available in clear, gray, blue, and digital camo, it offers more style options than many clear cases. The case's anti-yellowing technology helps maintain its transparency over time. At 1.6 ounces, it adds minimal weight while providing solid protection against drops and scratches. The polycarbonate and thermoplastic polyurethane construction offers a good balance of rigidity and flexibility. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.